It's loud. It's fast. And it's all over.
In about 7 seconds. This is motorcycle drag racing, and it is a thrill to watch. These Top Fuel bikes can do the quarter mile in as little as 6.7 seconds at speeds of well over 200 miles an hour. And believe me, the sound and the fury at these races is intense.
These nitromethane-fueled V-twin engines pump out as much as 900 horsepower. That's some power-to-weight ratio. Like cars, drag racing motorcycles are divided into different classes, from street bikes to modified and pro-modified racers, pro-gas and pro-stock, pro-dragster, pro-fuel, and finally top fuel. 7-time Canadian Top Fuel Points winner Ron Howneat holds the current quarter-mile record of 6.669 seconds.
I've been riding motorcycles since before I had a license. I used to race motocross and then flat track, and I had an opportunity to get a Top Fuel Harley, and that was 8-9 years ago. So I jumped at the opportunity. To ride what I'm riding right there is quite an adrenaline rush. The bike itself covers the first 60 feet in less than a second, and at half track, 660 feet, I'm already doing 175 miles an hour in 4.2 seconds. My personal best is 212 miles an hour at 6.65 seconds. Last year, winning the U.S. Championship, first non-American to win that in 25 years of the Harley racing in the United States, so it's definitely an accomplishment, and that there, I don't think I could ever surpass that.
You don't have to pour a lot of money into these Top Fuel or pro dragsters to compete in this sport. Sport bikes are also welcome at these events, like the ZX6R from Kawasaki.
Any street bike can come in, just gets tech, as long as it's safe, you run. An average rider is going to get high 11 second, low 12 second pass, real safe, real easy, just like driving away from a stoplight. It's all rider on reaction time for Street EC, so anybody can win. A lot of times it is a slower bike that wins.
And this sport is not just for men.
I had some guy approach me at a gas station asking me if I had ever thought of drag racing before, and I went to my first race in 2001 in Ashcroft, and I've been addicted ever since. As a woman being in drag racing, it's still a lot of fun. I mean, they're all men around here, but they're all really super nice to you, and they, treat you with a lot of respect.
Motorcycle drag racing may look dangerous, but all bikes are technician inspected before they go out on the track. And riders, well, they have to adhere to strict rules of professional conduct, even in the pits, so accidents are very rare. About the only thing that may spoil a day at the races is Mother Nature, because drag racers do not race in the rain.